My name is David Davis. I'm the Health and Safety Manager for Peter's Pies. We're around about 550 employees here on site in Bedwas, Caerphilly. We've been established since the 50s, this site since the 70s, and we make pies, pasties, sausage rolls. In terms of the support that we've gained from Food Skills Cymru is that the training that we've been able to enact upon and apply with our staff. We've done quite a bit in terms of sustainability, and that is certainly going to be the future of where businesses in the food industry are going to need to be established. We are thrilled to be nominated for the Food Skills Cymru Training Awards. It means a great deal for us that we invest in our staff in terms of training and to be recognised, and we're proud to be a part of that with Food Skills Cymru and part of the nomination and the celebration of that process.